Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Innocent Bear set in Hearttopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the event menu and go to the Kit at Heart Party event. And then you're going to go to the purchase menu, and here you will see the Innocent Bear set. And from the set, you will get this one, the Pure Fun cloth jumpsuit, and this innocent bear hat, and then this innocent bear paw boots. And yeah, it's so cute, guys. For all the items from the set, you need 576 Moonlight crystal. You can collect the Moonlight crystal from here, from this guild sign-in. You can get it for free, guys. Okay, guys, and that's how you can unlock the Innocent Bear set in Hearttopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.